my channel. In today's video, I went grocery shopping and bought a bunch of stuff because it's spring break and all of my great nieces and nephews are coming to visit. So if you want to see what all I got them to snack on and how I organized this cabinet for them, stay tuned. Well, all right, everybody. So I did a lot of shopping at Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, Dollar Tree has some really great food items and they only cost $1. So I was excited. I normally don't pay a lot of attention to what they have at Dollar Tree. And when you have little kids coming over that's going to be staying with you, you got to have lots and lots of snacks. But I also got lots and lots of vegetables because we are not going to have a million cavities over at Auntie D's house, okay? So right now, I'm just unpacking everything. I was making sure that I had everything that I know the girls like. And in the next clip, I'm going to share with you guys what I actually got. So I grabbed a couple of these bins to put everything in, and I got red to match my kitchen. Well, guys, the girls love candy. They love Laffy Taffies. They love Twizzlers, all type of licorice and suckers. So I put all the actual candy in one bin. Then next, the girls love Jello, so I got a bunch of Jello cups and a pudding cup because Sugar Bear loves chocolate. So I'm putting those in there. Also, some fruit cups. I have peaches and I also have mandarin oranges. So they're gonna go all into one bin. My next bin is going to be cookies and crackers. Now, the cookies and crackers, these are all new to me except for the animal crackers, which they aren't that good, but the girls will eat them. And then also I have these shortbread crackers, and I also have the peanut butter crackers, and I just got a wide variety. I have some vanilla and chocolate in this one, and I just want to make sure that they have a nice little selection of everything, and all of that is going into a bin. In this one, we have fudge brownies and goldfish, and then the next one we have our cereal. They love Lucky Charms. I have absolutely no clue where this bin came from. So now that I made it onto the floor and I'm taking a little dance break, I'm gonna organize this cabinet for the girls, and I'm happy to do it. I found a glass jar to put some extra snacks in so that, if we're snacking late at night, I can kind of monitor and see just what they have. But yeah, this cabinet is totally dedicated to them, and I'm just happy to do it. But I was able to arrange everything in there and get everything all perfected, and it looks really good. So I suggest doing this. Yeah, see how nice it came out. All of their healthy snacks and candy and cereal and everything is all in one place, and this works out perfect for me and the girls. So now that I have the girls' snacks squared away, I'm gonna get into the real grocery. Okay, this is my canned goods cabinet, and it's a really small cabinet because I don't buy a lot of canned goods. I prefer fresh or frozen vegetables. So I picked up a couple cans of Campbell's chicken noodle and tomato soup, some Hunt's spaghetti sauce, and this is some sun-dried tomatoes. I cannot wait to try them. I am going to make us some spaghetti that is going to be out of this world. Also, I picked up some soy sauce and some Worcester sauce. Also, I picked up some honey, which is what I forgot and I'm going to put in here now. But yeah, and I love how I organize my cabinets. Everything in my kitchen is really organized and I love it. So here I'm putting away the frozen vegetables, and guys, they had such a big variety at Dollar Tree. I loved it. When I go grocery shopping, I always put the frozen foods in one bag, the canned goods in another bag. That makes it so much easier when you come home and you're taking your groceries out and putting them away. That way you can kind of go in one section at a time and put your stuff away. So next I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what I got and why. So at Dollar Tree, I picked up a couple packages of vegetables. Here is the Libby's carrots, and also they have the corn. Now I like these because they're single servings and you just pop them in the microwave. Also, I picked up some packages of lemon pepper tuna, and then this is some suddenly salad pasta just in case someone comes over. These are some herring sardines. And then here I have cuts of broccoli. I have 2 bags of those, and I can just steam them. Also mixed vegetables. Then over here I have some cut corn. We love corn. And then I have a couple bags of green beans. And then I got this cut okra because I made some turnip greens and they're in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna add that. I picked up some spring rolls. Never tried them, but we're gonna try it and see. So I picked up a pack of beef neck bones, and I'm going to be cooking that this week with mixed vegetables. Also picked up a couple chuck steaks for me and the girls or the kids. And then I picked up this pack of hamburger meat that's already patted out into the hamburger patties. And yeah, I'm going to cook all 3 of these in one day. So I also picked up some frozen dinners at Dollar Tree. These are the Michelinas, cheeseburger and macaroni. Never had those. Fettuccine Alfredo. Once I get through seasoning these, they're going to be great. And then also I picked up some, oh, here's the other suddenly salad. I knew I had 2 of them. But this one is like a beef and pepper. So with a little seasoning, we'll get that together as well. So I'm excited to try these. I've never tried them before. So hopefully the girls like them. Oh, and I got them some pancakes for in the morning. So I'm just cleaning up my mess from when I opened up all the cookies and packages and stuff. And I'm just going to dispose of this real quick. Also, I had pulled a big bag of ice out of the freezer because it's been in there a couple months and it's just taking up space. So I'm trying to let that melt. And I'm just putting away the dishes that were in the sink. And there's the red container. I guess I'll just stick it in there for now. But yeah, I'm just tidying up a little bit. Wasn't much to do. Everything is pretty much clean. But I left one of the peaches out by mistake. I guess that one got forgotten. But I have something special planned for those peaches. But right now I'm just trying to get rid of this ice. So I went over to Family Dollar and I picked up a couple boxes of sandwich bags because tomorrow I'm going to meal prep. Also, I picked up me some Dove soap and some Irish Spring. I love Irish Spring. So guys, and you're going to love this one. I got gloves. Yes, the next time I clean out the toilet just for you guys, I'm going to try to remember to wear these gloves. But if I don't kill me. So come on over with me to the pantry and let's put this stuff away. Now guys, look at the pantry. The pantry is a hot mess, but guess what? In the next video that I put out, we are going to organize this pantry. Yes. Remember I said I had a plan for the peaches? Well, here is the master plan. Honey, I deserve these peaches. I deserve a late night snack. I think I got a lot accomplished today, and I am just excited that I got everything put away and organized perfectly. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and give us a like. And until the next video, bye guys.